OTISCOMPASS. Honest Comments Rules!
It's premiere time. So, this is Durie Hill in some place called Whanganui, and there's actually an elevator inside the hill. What? And this lift was actually installed in 1910s, and it's an old gated lift. It's like one of those heavy goods, but sadly the inside has been a bit redone a bit, which is a bit annoying, except it's still really nice. And this lift is actually labelled as a tourist attraction, which is also really nice. Anyways, this lift actually, sadly, have to pay to use this elevator, so might as well walk up and take a look at it itself. Except it's actually really nice to actually go and ride this lift. And it's actually done a look at the shaft in this video before, so make sure you go check out this before. And now we go to the lift, and let's go and ride it.
Okay, this is a really old lift, made from 1990. And holy Jesus, it's time to place my greatest fear of gated lifts. Please ring bell for the lift. This is what it sounds like. Yeah, pretty damn gated lift. Please ring bell. I think it's coming down, that's for sure.
What if Mum has already done it?
Wait, what if it's automatic? It's coming down. Besides, so listen, then they
noise.
Yep. And here is the lift.
Holy crap! Oh my gosh!
Oh no, that's so.
Do we just get in, do we?
Yeah. Are you aware of the charge?
Sorry?
The
No.
charge. It's $1 a child and $2 for adults.
That's fine.
Yep.
Do we have to pay by cash?
$1 a child and
Please mind
$2
while
an
we
adult.
pay. And now time to get in the lift.
So you don't
It's
wanna
time to
use
get
it?
in the lift.
Okay.
Do this! What? And
Do you,
I
do
managed
you
to
want
do
if we
it!
pay $1? We
Oh
can pay for
my
you to come up. Do you want to? Oh, you know, it's
yeah!
Sure?
Oh yeah, we did it! I survived! And it's time to close it! And, oh no, is it an doorless? No, it isn't,
Okay.
thank goodness.
So it's $4 each way. So
Oh,
you
we
can
pay
either
now.
you can either pay it all now or you can pay when you come back.
Tower.
Okay. We'll pay it when we come back.
Oh, you'll have to pay
Security
me to come up,
cameras.
but
Oh, I see. Okay, well let's do the whole thing now then.
Okay.
Sorry.
I'll just
It's
let you
like
know
I'm
I
trapped
finish
inside the
at
door of the
5.
elevator.
Yeah,
So-
we're only going up and
He's
down
not
again.
okay.
We're
And now it's time to go up. Wow, that's
this is a bit.
Old.
Do you hold your breath when you do it to wonder if
so
you're going to plummet?
anyways, shaking cat lightning
This old.
Thailand.
They
Your
kept it
monitor.
pretty nice.
Anyways, there's no indicator and no buttons. Oh dear. This looks shakes.
Why is it so shaky?
So shakes a lot.
Sorry.
Why is it so shaky?
It's always been like that for me. I've been around it since I was like a baby. There's my nana up there
Oh,
in the
really?
70s, yeah.
Wow. Oh my goodness.
Still on
Amazing.
up.
So it's concrete sides, is it?
Yep.
And how high up are we going?
66 metres.
And here we are.
Did you want to take a look at the view
Ding
and
ding
stuff?
ding.
Yeah. Oh yes, do you mean do we want to come straight down again? No, we don't want to come straight down.
And here we are. Ding ding ding. The top.
Right,
Please
thank
press
you.
for the lift.
This is an interesting.
And there's your
Yeah, it's
bell
pretty
again.
interesting.
Anyways. And